Everybody, this is Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today we're going to do our 1,000 subscriber giveaway winners video, and we got our YouTube random comment picker, and we have our comments loaded. So what we're going to do for you is we're going to get this done. Now the first item up for grab is our homemade river dirt. Yeah, it's in the you recognize that bottle, but me and Lyle of Hippie BBQ did a collaboration video of barbecue rub collaboration. I'll leave that video in the iCard above. Check it out. I'll leave his channel link in the description box below. Hit show more. So, river dirt up for grabs. Let's see who the lucky winner is. We got our comments loaded. It's only the second time doing this. Let's go ahead and get her done. See who the winner is. Paul Adams. Congratulations, Paul Adams. You've won the river dirt. Congratulations. Hit me up on email. It's in the description box in the video. It's all the way down the bottom. I got 2 emails. You can hit me up on either one, and we'll get your shipping address and we'll get it to you. Now it's going to take give me about a week to get these out because, you know, life sometimes gets in the way. And make sure you give me the right address and the right name, because it will get rejected, as one of the packages did in the 500 subscriber giveaway, which I keep forgetting to send that back out because life gets in the way. So make sure you give me the correct address, you know. So make sure you do that. So Paul Adams, hit me up, man. Thank you very much for subscribing, being a supporter. I love everybody for that. It means a lot to me. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do it again. Every time you gotta put the URL back in it. It's a pain in the butt. Alright. Our second item up for grabs is 3 Eyes Barbecue Championship Spice Rub. Now, you can find this on barbecuesuperstore.com. You can find it at 3eyesbarbecue.com, I believe, or masondixonbarbecueservices.com. So there it is. This stuff's pretty good. It's very popular everywhere. So thank you, Dan and Tracy, especially Tracy, for donating this. I did a rub review on this rub. I'll leave that in the iCard above, and I'll leave their website link in the description box below. All these ads. Let's go ahead and get her done. All right. Dennis Murray. His comment was, awesome job on hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark. Keep pumping out the vids and subs will keep rolling in. Dennis, you're right. I'm growing and I love it. I think it's great. I'm glad everybody's liking my content. I'm going to give you a little foresight on. You're seeing slow cooker videos and you're seeing, you know, me cook stovetop oven. It's not because, you know, I don't want to barbecue. So I want to tell everybody, I want to show everybody that I can do more than just barbecue. So it's like a, you know, maybe I want to turn it into maybe a barbecue/cooking channel. So give me some feedback on what you think about me doing some different other than barbecue. So Dennis Murray, you're the lucky winner of 3 Eyes Barbecue Rub. Hit me up on my emails, and we'll get it out to you. All right, now I feel pretty fortunate that, you know, we have these, you know, knives to give away right here. I'll hold them right. Got those. These are the Rida knives. You can go to RidaKnives.com. Check them out. That's a nice set of 2 knives with a sharpener. And then we have the big knife set to accommodate that. So I feel really lucky that we was able to get this stuff to give away. So let's get it in. As old Smokin and Grillin with AB would say. Oh, AB, what's up, man? I'll leave his channel link in the description box below. We haven't done a collaboration yet, so we're going to get them in. All right. Is it going to make it refresh? Can't refresh the page. Alright. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, for our third and final prize for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway winners for the Rida knives. Cast iron skillet. That's one of my YouTube channel buddies. That's John, and I think it's Michelle. God, don't kill me if I'm wrong. I think it's John. Yeah, it's John. We'll call Miss Iron Skillet. Miss Cast Iron Skillet. I can't remember her name. I'm sorry, honey, if I can't remember your name. But congratulations on winning the knives. Their comment was, "Congrats, very good growing channel and awesome folks, outstanding." So, congratulations to Cast Iron Skillet, and we'll get them out to you. Hit me up, guys. Give me your address, and we'll get them out to you. Again, if you like this, hit the subscribe button, like button, thumbs up. All my affiliate links are in the description box. Hit show more. You feeling okay now?
Yeah, I feel better.
Okay, and Miss Katie's up. So, subscribe, like, all my affiliate links are in the bottom. Just hit show more. And again, guys, share with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.